Hi guys, so today is another trading session with you guys, and today is and I'm going to see if there's actually opportunity for us to do so. Let's get started. So we had a profitable week last week, and it was amazing, like so amazing. I was supposed to hold a trade over the weekend, but I didn't because I I don't know, I don't trade weekends, so I had to close it on Friday, and I can actually even show you guys the profit. So before this live ends, I'm going to show you guys the profits I made on Solana. So Solana was the running trade we had last week. So hold on guys. So Solana was the running trade we had last week, and I did not like I did not close. No, I actually did close. I closed it. So hold on guys. I'm trying to. So for this week we are going to be analyzing the charts, and then we'll see if we have trades this week. So let's get started. So I'm going to be sharing my screen. I'm going to be sharing my screen for you guys, and then okay, hold on guys. So last week was a profitable week, a very profitable week. We had profit last week, and for those who actually closed their trade, so for those who actually closed their trade, we had a profitable week last week. So I am coming, I am coming. I need to get some things. So now I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to be sharing my screen to you guys, so we can actually analyze the chart together and see if you have any opportunity to trade from this morning. So so let's get started guys. So I'm going to show you guys the trade we had on Solana last week. So I hope you guys can see my screen. If you guys can see my screen, but I think you guys are going to be seeing my screen. Okay, so but I had to close somewhere around here. Yeah, I actually did close on Friday somewhere around this level. So as you guys can see, it went up and then came back to break even. So for those that didn't close, you are going to be on break even on this trade, and you could still hold it for today. But let's see if we can get other opportunities to trade from this morning. Let's see if we can get other opportunities to trade from. So let's check BTC. Okay, so I actually did make this analysis see last. Okay, okay, this was not an analysis I did. I think I was trying to. I don't even know how that got there. So this is the analysis I made last. So I was saying, like, I actually said BTC should come down to this level, but as like, though BTC is bullish, like BTC is bullish, and we are seeing BTC to at least reclaim its last high. You understand? Like the higher high, the last price it went up to I think 100K, 120 or so. Let me check. So we're looking at BTC to actually reclaim, like to actually go up to probably okay, I think 120, 124. But right now we are going to be actually what I actually said is for this year. So this year we're looking at BTC to at least reclaim this level. But right now I'm looking at BTC to actually go up down to this level, that's 94K. So I'm looking at BTC to go up to 94K or 95K, because this is actually a resistance level. So if this level did not hold, that means BTC is going to go up to around 120 something or so. But if this level hold, this level might push BTC back down a little, then we might see another. So let's just check and see if we could get any trade for today, for today. So on BTC, I'm actually not really seeing anything on BTC. But let's just be patient. Today is just Monday and we are just starting the week, so we are not really chasing things. We are just starting the week. There's actually a lot of opportunities for us throughout this week. So I'm not really seeing a clear move on BTC. So let's just, because I'm looking at BTC to come down to this level. I'm looking at BTC to at least come down to somewhere here, or this my other block. So let's look at another pair. So this is Dodge, and on Dodge we are actually going to, if you want to look at it, if you want to, okay, let's go to the higher time frame and see things clearly. So on the higher time frame, okay, we are still bullish. So we are still bullish on Dodge. So we could just take our buy from this level, or taking my buy from that level, because it is a risk. But if this level can actually hold, then we're going to see a new reconstruction. We're going to see a new reconstruction. Like, I think. So let's move to another paper. But I'm not taking that buy. I'm actually not taking that buy. So on this, on Ethereum, so I'm looking at Ethereum to also come down to this level. But that's if BTC come down to that level. I said BTC is going to come down to. So Ethereum might actually come down to this level also. So so on this, I just feel we should just like allow the market kind of settle, because I'm not seeing a clear movie. We cannot just jump on this. And again, the month is actually ending. So this is consolidating, and so let's move to another pair. Like anytime I see this trade, like I'm always sad because I did not enter the trade, and I told you guys why I did not enter this trade. I told you guys the reason last week. So let's move to another pair, a real a clear movement. So also on SCI. So I don't think we're going to have, and again I'm looking at if like price could, let me go back to the flower. So price could come down to this level first, or probably go up to this resistance level. So we don't know. But if this level can hold, this if this level can hold, then price is going to target this our resistance level. I don't think it is going to hold. So let's just wait and see what SCI. And so we're going to come back tomorrow on SCI. So this is on those USDT, as you can see on 4 hour, on the 4 hour time frame, Ondo is actually consolidating. This is what we have. And so we could just take our buy from this level. minutes to 15 minutes. Get back to you. So we could take our buy from this way. But I'm not, this is actually not a high probability setup. So I'm not just going to take the trade. I don't think we're going to have any trade this morning. And besides itself, I can live stream a little bit late. So I don't think we're going to have any opportunity to trade from this morning. So on LDO, as you can see, price actually. Let me take another block on this level. Let me go to the let me go to the 4 hour time frame and yeah. So this so I'm going to be taking, I don't know if I'm going to be taking this trade, but I don't think I'm going to be taking it. Besides, I don't think the trade is going to even trigger out today. So we're still so so this so we have this analysis for today. Let's check other pairs. So on Tao USDT, this one is consolidating. So this is Cardano ADA. So on ADA, same thing, no clear movements, no clear movement, no clear movement. So guys, I think we are going to come back tomorrow because we just have this analysis and this is not going to trigger today. It is not going to trigger today. So we are still going to come back here tomorrow and see if we have any opportunity. As you guys know, I don't trade above, like I don't trade any other pairs apart from this my watch list. So I could just go to my search bar and then search for other pairs to trade from. But I don't trade, I don't trade any other pair apart from my watch list. So I'm not seeing any opportunity on these pairs. So I'm going to come back here tomorrow and then hopefully we find opportunity tomorrow. So that's it for today.